Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I have an unbagging of, you will see. I'm really excited. I got it from Etsy, and as you could probably guess, it'll be something having to do with diamond painting. So let's get into it. I love the packaging of, I got this from an Etsy seller. Let's see, Jim's Handmade Pins. So, well, I just gave it away. Let's see, I'm not cutting anything. Okay. So, as you guessed, it is a drill pin. And, oh, he's got a little note here. He says the tips are interchangeable. Just have to use a pair of pliers. And the tips come from the pink pins, like you get from your just a regular pink pin that we get in our diamond paintings. And we can replace them. All right, very nice. Okay, so let's open it up. This one is a pink, you get a little pink bag to have it, to put it in, which I love. Let's see what I got. Ooh, nice. Ooh, I really like that. I don't know if you can see. Nicely done. Ooh, ooey, ooey. Alright, so this is, if I'm not mistaken, these are made of acrylic. Okay, so this is called Fractured Fuchsia. As you can see, it's see-through, kind of. You can see through it. You can't see, you know, like a glass or anything, but it is see-through. I can see to the other side. I went ahead and got the 3-placer and the single. And this is hand-turned diamond painting pen. So, oh, I just love that. This is my favorite color, you all. This is my favorite color. And so he said you can just take these out like that and then just stick another one back in there if these get worn out, which they do. You can just use your, I don't have one with me. Hold on, let me go get one. Okay, so you know your basic kit comes with one of these little pins. You can take these out like that and replace it into that. You can push it in harder, but I don't want to push it in there. So that's nice. I like that. So if you guys are interested, I'm not sponsored or anything like that by him, but I just happened to see him on Facebook, or not on Facebook, on Etsy, and I liked his work and really wanted a nice little pin. So this is 2 now. I've got one from Diamond Art Club, and now I've got one from him. And you guys take a look. I like the work. Everything's nice and smooth. The color is very vibrant. I don't know if you can tell that. And I'm just very pleased with it. So give him a look if you want to. So his shop name is Jim's Handmade Pin Shop, all one word. And check him out. He's got all kinds of different colors and designs, and I'm very pleased with it. So hope you guys enjoy your day, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of these, and give me a comment below, and I will get back to you all later. Subscribe if you haven't already. God love you guys. Bye.